Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Happy Republic Day. Today let me show you how to make a beautiful tricolor flower badge using color papers. Shall we start? The materials required are orange, white and green color paper, cardboard sheet, small sheet, scale, scissors, pencil, one blue pen, blue sketch pen, one pin for the badge, safety pin, and compass to make the circle, and glue. Now take a white sheet of 7 by 7 cm square and fold it this way. The shape of a leaf here and cut it. Make 2 more oranges, 1 more white and 2 more green pieces. Now draw a circle of radius 2.5 cm in a white sheet and trace that in the cardboard and cut it. Now we are going to glue it. Now let's paste all these pieces in this cardboard. Now draw a small circle in the white sheet with the glue cap and draw 24 spoke lines here for chakra and give the border with blue sketch. Orange, white and green of 14 into 1.5 cm and we are going to paste it this way in the back side of the badge. Tricolor flower badge is ready. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on all videos. Thank you.